are free digital circus mods. First one, Zubol. Can he kill Miller? Oh, that was a nice one. Linda did not. Well, classic as good. I think this is the last. Yay! Well, he good or she's good. As Carl Brown. I rate that 5 out of 10. Next one, Jax the Prankster. Okay. Yeah, let's go try mouse. Last one is so big. Ooh, that was he punched him. Well, I guess he's wrong. Not true. I give that eight out of 10. That's good. That's the last one. Obstructed kill. This is what I'm talking about. Big. See? This guy is good. I just gotta watch him. You can of course, yeah, because she's big. It's like he's playing with them. Wow. Damn. Well, that's all.